Good day guys, welcome to the tutorial. In this video we're just going to basically type in some text over here. Once we click the display message, we're going to output a toast message at the bottom with whatever we typed in over here. So what I did to the form was I just went to container, I right clicked and I said change layout, and I made it to relative layout. I added a button, I added the edit text. Just change the text of the button to display message, and then the edit text I set the hint. If you go to the XML file, if you look in EditText, all you do is you say Android hint is equal to, and then you put whatever message you want to display. So before we get started on the application, there's a couple of things you just have to check. So in the Android manifest file, make sure that your Java main activity is declared inside it over there, and then also in your main activity, make sure that the layout is actually the one that you want. These things are actually loaded when you start a new application, but once you start actually creating your own Java class files and your own activities, you have to declare them yourself. So let's just get started. I'm going to declare edit text, and I'm going to call this edit text edit, right? And then on the onCreate, okay, let me first create my onClick. So there's another way of doing the onClick method for the button, is where you actually create the action listener. In this video, I'm going to do the onClick, where in the XML, by the button, you specify Android and you say onClick, and then you set the name for the onClick method. I'm going to call this onDisplay. So now I have my onClick method. So all I do is in the main activity, I just say public void onDisplay. You pass through view, and then that's it. That's all you have to do. So then whatever goes inside the curly braces is what will happen once you click the button. I know with the action listener, you have to create a new action listener and then you set the method inside that. I just find that this method is more simple. So inside the button, we're just going to say edit is equal to, and the type is edit text. We're going to find the view by its ID, and then how we do that is it's basically a path. So it's going to be r.id, and the ID we're looking for is edit text 1. So we're going to say then that string, and we're going to call it message, will be equal to edit dot get text, and we're going to say dot toString, and that will get our message from the text field. So now we want to display the toast message. How we do that is we say toast, we say dot make text, right? The context, which is main activity dot this, or you can just say this. I just like to be specific. So the message would be message, because that's our variable that we called, and then the duration would be, you can set either between long or you can be between short. In this case, I'm going to put it short because we want to actually have a good look at it. I mean long, sorry. So we want to have a good look at it. We'll say those are long, and we'll say dot show, and that's it. That's how you display a message from a text field. So let's just run this. I started my my virtual device already, so just launch the application. Just say this is the message. Thank you guys, that's the video. So what we did was we just, whatever message we put in there, click the button and displays it as a toast message at the bottom. Thank you guys for watching.